the wait is almost over. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is shaping up to be DJI's next big leap in drone technology. With leaked specs, insider insights, and an official FCC filing, we might be just weeks away from its grand unveiling. Today, we're breaking down everything you need to know about DJI's most anticipated release. Let's dive in. DJI has a track record of setting the gold standard in aerial technology, and the Mavic 4 Pro seems no different. Thanks to a recent FCC filing, we've confirmed not one but two models, codenamed L3A and L3B. This suggests DJI might be catering to both professionals and hobbyists, offering advanced features for some and more streamlined affordability for others. One of the most exciting upgrades? The battery. The Mavic 4 Pro is rumored to pack a 6,654 mAh battery. That's a major step up from the Mavic 3 Pro's 5,000 mAh. What does this mean for you? Up to 52 minutes of flight time, enough to capture every breathtaking moment, whether you're a photographer, videographer, or surveyor. Now let's talk about what everyone is buzzing about: the camera. Leaked images hint at a brand new spherical camera module, a stark departure from the Mavic 3 Pro's triple camera setup. While DJI hasn't confirmed specifics, speculation points to a 100 megapixel sensor. That's right, 100 megapixels. But here's the thing, more megapixels don't always mean better quality. It's the sensor size and AI-driven processing that really make a difference. If DJI combines this with advanced scene recognition and low-light performance, we're looking at a game changer for photographers and filmmakers alike. And speaking of filmmakers, 8K video at 60 FPS, coupled with 4K oversampling and 10-bit color depth, these specs would make the Mavic 4 Pro an essential tool for any serious videographer. DJI isn't just about raw specs, it's about intelligent usability. The Mavic 4 Pro is rumored to feature next-gen AI-powered obstacle avoidance and smarter autonomous flight modes. Imagine smoother tracking, smarter navigation, and hands-free creative possibilities. Let's take a closer look at the build. The Mavic 4 Pro appears to have a slightly larger camera module, possibly to accommodate built-in ND filters, an absolute win for filmmakers. This added size explains the extra 87 grams compared to the Mavic 3 Pro, but for most users, the trade-off is more than worth it. Here's the big question: when can you get your hands on it? Rumor has it the Mavic 4 Pro is set for an April 2025 release. Perfect timing, as the drone industry hasn't seen a groundbreaking launch in months. This could be DJI's opportunity to raise the bar once again. With growing competition and regulatory challenges, DJI remains unstoppable. The Mavic 4 Pro's rumored specs, extended battery life, revolutionary camera tech, and smarter AI position it to dominate both consumer and professional markets. And with whispers of DJI's foldable drone concept, the company is clearly looking to diversify and innovate. Whether you're a filmmaker, photographer, or just love exploring the skies, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro is shaping up to be a must-have. Longer flight times, next-gen camera tech, and smarter features. All signs point to this being one of DJI's most pivotal releases yet. Hey there, drone enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into one of the most buzzed-about topics in the drone community, the highly anticipated DJI Mini 5 Pro. With rumors flying faster than the drones themselves, we're here to break down everything you need to know about the Mini 5 Pro, its expected features, potential release date, and what it could mean for drone photography and videography enthusiasts like you. So, grab your controllers, because this is going to be an exciting ride. The DJI Mini series has become a staple for drone enthusiasts around the globe. With its sub-250 grams weight, it offers unparalleled accessibility. No FAA license required in the US. Whether you're a beginner looking to take your first flight or a pro seeking a compact option for stunning aerial shots, the Mini series strikes the perfect balance of affordability, performance, and portability. And with the Mini 5 Pro, DJI is expected to push the boundaries even further. Let's start with the biggest upgrades that might be coming our way. First up, let's talk about the camera. Rumors are swirling about a potential upgrade to a 1-inch sensor, a huge leap from the Mini 4 Pro's 1.3-inch sensor. A larger sensor means sharper details, better dynamic range, and superior low-light performance, perfect for those sunrise or sunset landscape shots. While we might not see a jump in resolution, DJI is likely focusing on improved dynamic range and clarity, which could bring a cinematic touch to your aerial footage. Imagine capturing those epic wide-angle shots with professional-grade quality. AI tracking is another area where DJI could seriously level up. The Mini 5 Pro might come with enhanced active track capabilities, allowing it to follow fast-moving subjects like cars, cyclists, or even animals with pinpoint precision. This could make the Mini 5 a game-changer for action-oriented creators, delivering smoother, more reliable tracking for those thrilling moments. And let's not forget connectivity. With 5G compatibility, the Mini 5 Pro could offer ultra-smooth real-time video transmissions and improved control, even at long distances. This upgrade would be a dream for professionals who need seamless, high-resolution live feeds. Now, here's the tricky part. DJI has to pack all these upgrades into a drone that stays under the critical 250 grams weight limit. This lightweight design is a major selling point, keeping the Mini series accessible and easy to fly without licenses. But meeting this weight restriction could mean trade-offs. Larger sensors or bigger batteries could push the Mini 5 over the limit. DJI will have to get creative, possibly by using lighter materials or optimizing the software to deliver more performance without adding bulk. The Mini 4 Pro already boasts an impressive 40-minute flight time, and the Mini 5 is expected to match or even slightly improve on this. DJI is likely to focus on efficiency to maintain or enhance battery life while staying under the weight cap. All right, let's talk about when you can actually get your hands on this beauty. DJI tends to follow an annual release cycle, and since the Mini 4 Pro launched in late 2023, we could see the Mini 5 Pro as early as December 2024. Pricing is expected to be competitive, likely in the range of $899 to $999, aligning with the Mini 4 Pro's launch price while offering some serious upgrades. The DJI Mini 5 Pro isn't about reinventing the wheel. It's about refining it. With potential upgrades like a larger sensor, smarter AI tracking, and 5G connectivity, this drone could set a new benchmark for compact, high-performance drones. Whether you're a seasoned pilot or just getting started, the Mini 5 Pro promises to be a versatile and powerful addition to DJI's lineup. So what features are you most excited about? Do you think the Mini 5 Pro will live up to the hype? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more updates on the DJI Mini 5 Pro and all things drones.